Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by deciding the focus modes you need and creating one blank home screen for each. Next, assign essential widgets like calendar and timer to the corresponding screens. This anchors purpose. Once done, add only the 3 highest use apps per focus to avoid clutter and speed access. Make sure to name or note each screen's purpose so you don't mix them up. This first pass gets the structure in place quickly and prevents wasted tweaks later. Now you focus on arranging apps and adding automation to reduce decision fatigue. Create task-based groups and put only the most used app at the top of each folder. This reduces taps. Then set automations so focus modes toggle by time or location and link them to your designated home screens where possible. Once automations run, add smart widgets or stacks that change contextually. This keeps the screen useful without constant manual edits. Make sure each screen's layout supports the mode's primary workflow. Finish by testing each focus-driven home screen for at least a full day and observing friction points. If a widget or app distracts, remove it. If something's missing, add that one crucial element and retest. Once satisfied, backup settings or take screenshots so you can rebuild quickly. If things go wrong, disable and re-enable the related automation, confirm app permissions, or rebuild the single problematic screen rather than starting over.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.